Today I wanted to talk about SQL joins, specifically the self joins. And the way to do it is I will illustrate with an example. So basically, we can create a table called the employee table where we have a person ID and then we have the employee name and we have a manager ID. Basically, it indicates who is the manager of that person. So, for example, if we insert this value, it means we didn't specify the Chuck's manager. It's basically null. But in this case, for example, Walter, you can see it is going to specify that Walter's manager is a person with an ID of 1, which is basically Chuck's. So if you wanted to list all the employees and their managers, you could use something called SQL self join. But let me just show you what is in the table right now. So I just said select everything from employee table. So you can say this is the data we have. Chuck, there's no manager. Walter is 1. You saw Chuck, and so on. We only have 8 records, so it's easy to kind of see. So to do the self join, you basically select everything from the same table essentially twice. So what we can do is either in the from statement, you can say employee table is at as employee. That's just a synonym. So it's easy to understand. And employee table as manager. So basically it's the same table. And here you can say employee as name would be employee and manager employee name would be manager. And essentially to indicate a self join, what you're saying is employee dot manager ID. So you can see employee dot manager ID is equal to manager dot person ID, manager dot person ID. So for example, Walter's manager would be Chuck. So if I run this query now, you should see the expected results. And this is a good illustration of a self join where basically here you can see that Walter's manager is Chuck. And if you wanted to see Tim's manager is Walter, and you can check here Tim's manager ID is 2 and which is Walter. So thank you for watching this short screencast on self joins and you have a great day. Thank you.